Hey there video editors, are you a pro editor or do you want to become one? In today's video, I have got 6 editing tips that all pros use and maybe even a 7th bonus tip if you stick around to the end. Let's see how many of these you have not heard before. So let's jump right in. Before we dive into editing, let's check out some settings we might want to change in Premiere Pro. Go up to Edit, then Preferences, and we are starting with the timeline category. For the video transitions, set the default duration to 10 frames. It's short enough not to overwrite anything, but easy to extend. For the audio transition, set it to 2 frames. This makes quick crossfades smoother. For the still images, set the duration to 1 second. This prevents overwriting other elements when you drag images into your timeline. Next, let's stop the timeline from jumping around. Go to the same preferences menu and select No Scroll Timeline, Playback Auto Scrolling. This keeps your timeline stable and helps you stay focused while editing. In the Media tab, change the default media scaling to set to frame size. This way, when you drop a 4K footage into your 1080p timeline, Premiere Pro will automatically scale it for you. This will save a lot of time and effort. Under Audio Preferences, turn off the Play Audio when scrubbing. This stops the annoying scrubbing sound when you move the playhead around, letting you focus only when you hit play. For the editors dealing with jump cuts, select all of your audio clips and hit Shift+D to apply crossfades automatically. This smooths out any pops and clicks between the audio cuts, making your transitions seamless. Alright guys, quick pause. If any of these tips have been helpful so far, why not drop a like? It only takes a second. Now let's get back to it. Customize your keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, and add shortcuts for the commands you use often, like triple delete, labeled colors, or keyframe filters. And here is the bonus tip for those who stuck around. Did you know you can fine-tune playback speed pressing L fast forwards and J rewinds? But if you press Shift+L or Shift+J, it will speed up or slow down by 10% increments. Holding K+L plays forward in slow motion and K+J plays backward in slow motion. So there you have it, the 6 and 1 bonus editing tip that can transform your workflow in Premiere Pro. Did you find any new tips today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any tips of your own, share them with the community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And always stay creative and create better videos. See you next time. Bye.